Hello. Today we're going to talk about average, median, and mode. So, three things: average, median, and mode. Um, Average, let's do that one first. So, basically, all of these are about uh, a number of numbers, let's call it. But let's say 3, 5, 7, 9. Why not? So, how do we get the average? Well, we add them together and divide by the number of numbers we have here. So let's start by adding them together. So let's actually put some pluses in here. So this, for example, could be used if you want to know your average in your grades. Maybe that's something that will be useful later in life. Maybe middle school, maybe high school, or university. So you get a 7, you get an 8, you get a 10 here, another 10, and you get a 5. What is your average? Well, this is how you do it. So let's do this quick. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 9 is 24. So in total, there are 24 here. How many different numbers do we have? Well, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So there are 4 numbers. So 24 divided by 4. And that's a 6. So this is the average of those 4 numbers. So recap, basically add all the numbers together that you have, and then you divide by the total number of numbers. So if there are 5 numbers, you divide by 5. If there are 7 numbers, you divide by 7, so on and so forth. And that's how you find the average. Okay, let's do the median. So let's say you have a 1, there's a 1, a 3, a 4. Well, I'm actually putting them kind of in order now, so that saves a little bit of time. But let's do it like this. So you want to put them from smallest to biggest or largest, like I've already done here. But they will probably normally come mixed up. So it could be 9, 7, 1, 1, 3, 4. So you have to start by doing this. So now they're 1, 1. Those are the same. Just put them next to each other. Then 3 is the one that is the smallest after the ones, and then 4, 7, and 9. Okay, so median is the one in the middle. And what do I mean by this? Well, in this case, there are 6 numbers in total. If you have an uneven number, so, well, 1 doesn't make much sense, but if you have 3, 5, 7, 9, etc., is the one in the middle. So let's say you have 7 numbers. We can actually put another one here. So let's say we have like this. Okay, so I have 7 numbers, so I can count from left to right. 4. The 4th number is the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's kind of fun. So this is the middle number. So 4 is the median number. But this only works if you have an uneven number, or an odd number, I should say. So let's go back and do it like this. If you have an even number, there are technically 2 in the middle here, so that would be 3 and 4. So what we do is we add them together and divide by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and divided by 2 is 3.5. So the median is 3.5. So let's do a recap. The numbers you were given, write them down from smallest to largest, like I've done here. 1, 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. After you've done that, if there's an odd number, it's the one in the middle. So if there are 5 numbers, it's the 3rd number, starting from the left or starting from the right, doesn't matter. If there are 9 numbers, it's going to be the 5th number. So just like that. If there is an even number, you take the 2 in the middle and you add them together and divide by 2. And whatever comes out is the median. So that's how you do median. Okay, the last one is mode. So let's do it. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it like this, and I mix them up a little bit this time. So basically, mode is just the number that occurs the most times. So here, how many 3s do I have? Well, I have 2 3s. How many 2s do I have? I have 2 2s. How many 1s do I have? I have 3. So the mode is 1 because I have 3 1s. And that's really it. If you have the same number of 2, there are 2 numbers in the result. But that doesn't happen often. But anyways, that was average, median, and mode. I hope you learned something. Anyways, thank you for watching.